Today we're going to change the complete recoil starter on the Stihl TS410 cut-off saw. Use the Torx Spanner to remove the screw that secures the water connector from the underside of the machine. This will provide better access to the recoil. Next, use a 19mm Hex Socket Spanner, turning it anti-clockwise to loosen the tension of the belt. Once this is done, use a 13mm Hex Socket Spanner to loosen the 3 nuts that secure the recoil assembly. Don't worry if you hear a squeak, they can be difficult to remove. Then revisit each screw and completely remove them, freeing the recoil. Locate your new recoil assembly onto the machine. Loosely turn each nut a few times, then return to tighten each nut with a 13mm spanner. Be careful not to split the plastic when tightening. Then retighten the tension of the belt again using the 19mm Hex Socket Spanner. Don't forget to fix the water connector back into place under the machine using the Torx Spanner. And that's how you change the recoil assembly on a Stihl TS410 disc cutter. All the parts and tools needed for the task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.